Hi. Today we are going to learn about civil construction equipments.
Yeah.
Okay. Show me what you have.
Train, truck, truck, tractor, bulldozer, shovel, excavator, dump truck.
Wow.